animal world is really charming. Shall we go on a trip to explore them? Are you ready? The hawfinch is a passerine bird in the finch family Fringillidae. It is the only species placed in the genus Coccothraustes. Its closest living relatives are the Chinese grosbeak and Japanese grosbeak of East Asia, and the evening grosbeak and hooded grosbeak of North America. This bird breeds across Europe and temperate Asia. It is mainly resident in Europe, but many Asian birds migrate further south in the winter. It is a rare vagrant to the western islands of Alaska. Deciduous or mixed woodland, including parkland, with large trees, especially hornbeam, is favored for breeding. The hawfinch builds its nest in a bush or tree, and lays 2 to 7 eggs. The food is mainly seeds and fruit kernels, especially those of cherries, which it cracks with its powerful bill. This large finch species is usually seen in a pair or small group. It is a bulky bull-headed bird, which appears very short-tailed in flight. Its head is orange-brown with a black eye stripe and bib, and a massive bill, which is black in summer but paler in winter. The upper parts are dark brown and the underparts orange. The white wing bars and tail tip are striking in flight. The sexes are similar. The call is a hard chick. The song of this unobtrusive bird is quiet and mumbled. It is a robust bird with a thick neck, large round head and a wide, strong conical beak with a metallic appearance. It has short pinkish legs with a light hue and it has a short tail. It has brown eyes. The plumage of the female is slightly paler than that of the male. The overall color is light brown, its head having an orange hue to it. Its eyes have a black circle around them, extending to its beak and surrounding it at its edge. Its throat is also black. The sides of its neck, as well as the back of its neck, are gray. The upper side of its wings are a deep black color. The wings also have 3 stripes from approximately the middle till their sides, a white, a brown and a blue stripe. Adults molt between July and September. The hawfinch is a shy species, and therefore difficult to observe and study. It spends most of the day on top of high branches, above all during breeding season. During the course of the hawfinch's life it can only be seen on the ground while looking for seeds or drinking water, always near trees. While drinking and eating it is fairly aggressive and dominant, towards both its same species or different ones, even bigger birds. It guards a quite small territory when its chicks are born. However, when not bearing any offspring it is known to guard entire woods. This is interpreted as an evolutionary advantage, given colony rearing is seen as safer against nest predators. Hawfinches first breed when they are 1 year old. They are monogamous, with a pair bond that sometimes persists from 1 year to the next. Pair formation takes place before the breakup of the wintering flocks. The date for breeding is dependent on the spring temperature, is earlier in southwest Europe and later in the northeast. In Britain, most clutches are laid between late April and late June. The hawfinch feeds primarily on hard seeds from trees, as well as fruit seeds, which it obtains with the help of its strong beak with accompanying jaw muscles. It can break through the seeds of cherries and plums. Other common sources of food include pine seeds, berries, sprouts, and the occasional caterpillar and beetle. They can also break through olive seeds. The bird is known to eat in groups, especially during the winter. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for being a wildlife fan. We'll wait for your next visit, and be safe.